gentlemen, we have a packaging from McG. Silver did a giveaway, and I came in third place, so let's get into it. Thank you for being a sub and entering the contest. Let's see what we got. Holy cow, dude. So I took third place. I got a panda. And not only did I get a panda, I got a 2016 Buffalo. Wow, what a great contest, man. That's too much, dude. I freaking love pandas too. They're my favorite out of the semi-numismatic coins. $2016. Beautiful. It's kind of funny. He won my contest, and I won third place in his contest. Pretty crazy. Our Buffalo. Very cool, man. That's awesome. I appreciate that, McG. That's awesome, dude. Freaking cool, man. What a swell guy. Yeah, so we're at 50 likes as well, so we will be casting that big freaking bear at some point. I need to, I'm going to do some work on it. Going to try to file off some of the wording and stuff like that. And we're going to do that, but that's it, ladies and gentlemen. McG, I appreciate you, man. I just, thank you, dude. That's too kind of you, man. And ladies and gentlemen, I will see you on the next one. Peace.